Okay, you aren't ready for the office drama that just went down. Imagine this. दोपहर के 12:07 and the office microwave unleashes a sound from the depths of hell. Not a beep, not a buzz. Straight up microwave witchcraft. Flushed mark from accounting, frozen. Hand hovering over start, paralyzed by fear. The microwave screen erupts with one word, denied. Denied, Mark whimpers. Then, bum! The microwave yeets his lasagna like it's a projectile. Direct hit on the floor, bullseye. And that's the day the microwave became our overlords. Mukutkare tries a soup, screen flashes. Absolutely not. Dave attempts popcorn. The microwave belts out a clown funeral march.